babe. What's up, Arlen?
What's up with it? How you doing? I'm doing good today. How you doing?
What are you doing there?
Doing shadow fade, you know? Feel me? Hey, follow me on YouTube, y'all. Why you put that in my face for, man? Man.
Alright, so at the end of the day, I'm gonna be cutting a waiver. Brandon B. Wavy. You guys probably seen him because I cut him the last time.
HustleDreamProduction.
He's gonna be woofing like 17 weeks. And this is a broom that I'm holding in my hand, plus the camera, the skills, okay? Gotta clean up the station. But yeah, waivers stand up right now. We taking over. I done did like at least 3 waivers in a row. So yeah. You guys are still here? All right, we got another waiver in the building. Waiver stand up. Like I said, at the end of the day, I'm cutting Brandon B. Wavy. All right, he's gonna come through. But for now, we got a real waiver in the building right now. Let's take him to the next level. Cool.
Yep. Hey bro, quick question. How do you like the suction cupping?
That's good.
Yeah, it works pretty good. Yeah, it hasn't like fell on you or anything like that?
Nah, I mean, these joints kinda, I had to buy 2 because these joints got weak.
Yeah.
But it take a lot for you to.
Okay. For sure. I appreciate it, man. Thank you.
All right. I got something in the mail. Let's open it up, see what it's like. I know this is a small box. Like from right here, it looks real big, but like right here, it's a small box. But these are the wave runners that I got my son. Ooh, look how cute these are. Aww. Hey, these clean. Look at these little wave runners. These is clean.
HustleDreamProduction.
Listen, you guys, we got a dilemma right now. We got a dilemma. The dilemma is, see, whenever somebody isn't telling the truth, they try to hide. You know what I mean? They put on their AirPods. They try to do whatever they do to escape the reality is. You know what I mean? Listen, let me tell you guys the story. The story is we had all pieced up together to try to get these clips, okay? We pieced up together to try to get these clippers. Arlen got one.
I did.
Okay?
I got one.
Ramon got one. Jarrell got one, right? And it was just something in my mind, right? It was something in my mind that I knew. I said, you know what? George didn't pay. You know what I mean? See?
Come on, Jerry.
He has his
Come
earphones
on.
in. He has his earphones
I got no
in.
music playing because I heard him starting to record something on the camera. No. See, I got a 750 credit score. Nah, I got time for this.
We doing credit now with cash? Wow. See, that's why you don't do business with the barbers that you have.
I paid you.
Listen, you guys, in the comment section below, do you believe me or do you believe George?
The one with the 750 credit score and the 500 credit score. How you doing?
I'm ready.
We back again.
What up?
All right.
Oh, man, G.
All right. Flight delayed, huh?
Yeah, they delayed me, man. You got my message, right?
Yeah, I got it.
My bad. I did the dash trying to get here a little, you know.
Original.
You ready?
Original black
Hey, we
people
ready
stuff.
though.
All right, we're here right now. He's back in the
Back.
building. We're gonna see what he's
I changed my Instagram to Brandon B. Wavy. Did you notice that?
Brandon B. Wavy?
Yep.
All right, link will be right here, you guys. Let's see what he's working with though.
Check him out.
17 weeks?
17-week wolf.
17 weeks?
Yes,
All
sir.
right, let's see. 17 weeks. Ooh, you made progress.
Progress.
All right. Ooh.
You see that right side? You see that right side, though?
Ooh, the back, even the back is nice.
Yeah, I'm still working the top left. That's my weak area right now.
All right, let's get into this cut.
Yes. I just watched that video the other
All right,
day.
so Brandon B. Wavy came with his list of instructions. All right. I like how you got
You see your pictures
my
on it?
picture on there,
Yeah.
though. I like how you got my
That's
picture.
old
on
school
there.
Jeezy right there. Super low taper Jeezy right
All right, wait a minute. Okay, we ain't gonna just ignore the fact in big bold letters it says no fiber spray, and then he gonna had the audacity to underline it twice, as if he couldn't just told me. Matter of fact, you could just tell me, hey man, you know what I mean? No enhancements. You know what I mean? You ain't gotta write it down and give me the specific instructions, and at the very bottom in bold letters, no fiber spray. Come on, man. I'm just saying.
They long on that one. Oh yeah, it's thick. I ain't combed it out in at least like a week. I've been hard brushing it down. Oh, I do comb sessions. No, I got two combs I use. The tool structure, the one with the handle with the small piece, Then I use the regular one that Brush King sells. It's like the Crest. What is it? Crest 6000 or something like that.
HustleDreamProduction.
All right, we back with another one. Talk to him. Talk to him. Wait a minute. Talk to him.
We
Talk
here,
to him.
man. We here.
Let's go.
Velocity cuts.
How many weeks?
10 going on 11.
10 going on 11. Let's see what this is. You really got to be delicate when you're dealing with do-rags, you know? All right, layer one. This right here. This don't mean a thing. This right here is basically just extra added compression. But this right here, when we take this off, oh, it goes down. And I'm not talking about down on the DMs either.